Tanishka, you're blind.
You're okay. Yeah, you're decent actually.
Wow.
I'm blind. I'm very blind.
Bro, this is kind of fascinating. I genuinely feel blind. Like I can't focus on anything.
That's how I feel.
They're
every
thick.
day. Yeah, bro. I'm blind. What am I saying?
Do you wear spectacles on a regular basis?
Yeah, daily.
Evidently, yes.
Regularly.
I don't wear.
I had -4 power and I didn't tell anybody in my family that I was blind. My mom realized I was blind because she saw that I was squinting my eyes because I couldn't see shit. Yeah, I went to the eye doctor and she was like, you have -4 power and how can you not tell anybody, blah blah blah. And I got the specs and I was very sad I got specs because I thought I looked like a nerd. But yeah.
Naina Talwar?
गीतांजलि की cousin.
Modern school. Same batch.
Oh yeah. Scholar नैना. इस चश्मे को कैसे भूल सकता हूँ मैं?
People have this perceived notion that if you wear specs, you're probably a nerd or like you study a lot. Or so wearing specs, does it help my finance bro category? Yes. Does it make me look more serious? Yes. So yeah, that I think that's where it fits description wise.
Like most of these movies like show like a girl when they're wearing glasses, and then when they have like this makeover, they're not wearing glasses. I mean, like they kind of show it as such a binary, right? Like one with like really weird looking stuff like on purpose, and then add to that the glasses, and then on the other hand it's like suddenly like an entire transformation without the glasses. But honestly, just the glasses don't really make a difference to that. It's mostly like other things they do to the characters, like the hair and makeup and stuff, that like has more of a impact on the like how they look than the glasses.
Let your hair down. Now take your glasses off. That's strange. It always seems to work in the movies.
Well, you know what they say about girls who wear glasses.
What are you talking about?
Men aren't attentive to girls who wear glasses.
Jerry, what do you think?
I think these women would be pretty good looking if they weren't wearing glasses.
डायरेक्टर या राइटर होता है ना, उसकी सोच अलग होती है. अगर उससे उसकी जो पर्सनैलिटी वो और अच्छी दिख पड़ेगी, बराबर कि नहीं. अगर कोई सीरियस मूड होता है तो वो चश्मा अगर पहन ले तो उससे वो उसका मूड कैप्चर हो जाता है. मगर कोई जो कॉमेडी होती है तो मैं अगर ऐसा चश्मा पहन कैसे हो तो उसके लिए ऐसी ज़रूरत भी होती है ना, बराबर कि नहीं. तो ये ऐसा असर पड़ता है. कला और डेली लाइफ उसमें बहुत फ़र्क हो सकता है. अगर और ऐसे भी होते हैं दुनिया में, आप जैसे वो यंग लड़के हैं ना, तो वो इम्प्रेशन मारने के लिए यंग बॉयज़ भी कुछ ऐसा कर रहा है. वो गॉगल ऐसा लगाते हैं और ऐसा दिखता है, कैसा है क्या मैं ये कौन शाहरुख खान दिखता हूँ ऐसा, बराबर कि नहीं.
लेडीज़ है वो चश्मा नहीं पहनना चाहते हैं तो उनके लिए कॉन्टैक्ट लेंसेज है, जो कि उनका चश्मे का सोल्यूशन है कॉन्टैक्ट लेंसेज.
Ever been an experience where someone has negatively commented on you wearing specs?
Yeah, there was this one time where I met somebody random and they were like, oh my god, you wear specs, you look like a nerd. And I was like, okay, thanks.
Yeah, because a lot of people call chashmish, people call battery. I don't know why.
Yeah, they'd call me Chashmish as a child, but like it didn't get to me because it's such a like functionality survival thing for me.
Battery, double power.
We were discussing like black spectacles in particular, and then in my class and in college itself, and someone did mention how, you know, black specs are related to Mia Khalifa, and that, you know, any girl who wears black specs do look like Mia Khalifa. So I like that was one negative comment that I received by wearing like black spectacles, and it wasn't really a very positive thing. It did make me feel a little so yeah.
Like max to max you're wearing round glasses, they'll call you Harry Potter, but like beyond that it's really like not a huge deal for me. At least like this is just a part of my body now, and it's been a part of my body since I was very, very young. So I don't think I can be insecure about it anymore.
आता मी तसं काहीच सांगू शकत नाही कारण दिसत नाही तर लावायलाच आहे आणि तसाही मी प्रयत्न करते पण नाही ना जमत तसं.
Glasses are also a privilege, especially having the ability to kind of pick out the type of glasses that you like and, you know, choose from a curated collection of spectacles.
I think glasses or having the type of money to even spend for glasses is a privilege in itself. It's actually an expensive product to own and buy itself, and if you're the type of person where you're very conscious about the way you look, then you will want a type of frame which makes you feel confident and feel better about yourself.
And do you think glasses are a necessity or a fashion statement in today's age?
I have like 9 pair of glasses. So during, if there are any important meetings, I choose different glasses. For regular wear, there are different glasses. For casual, there are again different glasses. So yeah.
If I wear eye makeup, I prefer not to wear specs because it doesn't show a lot with specs.
For me, I don't know, dressing up isn't just about like a particular aesthetic or looking good. It's like each day has to be like a new look for me, you know? So like a certain day I want to look like a librarian. And then on another day I want to look like I could work at a circus, but I also have a 9 to 5. For me, like glasses are like an accessory. So, you know, I'll like try on different ones on my face, and then that's like my accessory for the day, like my rings or like my belts and my shoes.
You see like this every day.
Yeah, I can't say anything.
When you get to wear glasses, you get the choice of removing them whenever you want.
Right.
It should be a choice. Like if I wear it and I want to feel like that, only then should I look like that. But that's not available when you have specs. I don't feel beautiful.
Okay.
It sucks.
दिखने के लिए क्या यूज़ करते हैं? गॉगल यूज़ करते हैं या चश्मा यूज़ करते हैं या क्या बोलते हैं आप आँख में क्या डालते हैं? लेंसेज. वो ज़्यादा महत्वपूर्ण बात नहीं है, मगर किस सोच से आप देख सकते हैं दुनिया को, वो बात सबसे बड़ी इम्पोर्टेंट है.
You know what I do? I roll out of bed, I open my eyes, and I see stuff.
That's so fucking mean. Why would you say that?
So my name is Yazad Bharucha. I'm one of the 6th generation of the family business, and we've been running since 1833. We are the oldest store obviously in the country. People walk in with people have a different idea of wearing prescription glasses. They think that they cannot see and stuff, but now the trend has become such where the designs have changed and people are taking it as a fashion statement rather than medical equipment.
आता ते मोठे मोठे चष्माचा फ्रेम येतात, तुम्हाला ते कधी?
नाही नाही, मला हा सुद्धा मोठा वाटतो. मला सगळे म्हणतात हा मोठा आहे, बारीक घेत जा. पण मला आता ते म्हणजे तसे नाहीच नसतातच, त्यामुळे मला जे आवडतो तो मी घेतो.
I mean, it's going on for generations. The aviators and the wayfarers. I mean, God bless Tom Cruise for his face because he has changed the whole industry. Well, that's one of the designs I can think of. Otherwise, yeah, anything that's thick and heavy is really working.
It back up, and I don't know if it was because of that or because it was like an old pair of glasses a few years ago, but so like I had to turn around, like I peed or whatever, and then turned around, got up to flush, and it just fell like into the toilet, and I was like, oh god, and obviously like I couldn't flush it down the toilet, so I had to like find like something and like pick it out and then chuck it, and I was like, I'm not using this again.